Question 25, what type of tailed test is this? Okay, so we got to look at the information that we gathered from the two previous questions to answer this one. So from those two previous questions, we've got the original and the opposite claim, and from those we got the null and the alternative hypothesis. Remember, the null always has the equal sign, the alternative never has the equal sign. And to figure out what type of tailed test this is, if it's a left tail, right tail, or two tail, you always look at the alternative hypothesis. Now, since it has a not equal to sign, we know that this is going to be a two-tailed test. Now, if it was, say P is less than, well, remember the arrow is pointing in the direction, so that would be a left-tailed test. This would be left. And say if we had, and I'll write it up here, P is greater than, notice it's pointing in that direction. It's pointing to the right, so this would be a right-tailed test. Okay, so, but for our question, since we have a not equal to sign, we know that this is going to be a two-tailed test.